Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create this lace braid headband hairstyle. Beginning with the partings. First you need the diagonal parting to the front, and then I create the headband partings to the both sides of the diagonal one. I put the rest of the hair back to the weight and start with the right side. Take 3 strands of hair from the corner and start to braid like a Dutch braid, bringing strands from side under to the middle and adding hair from left side of the braid, so front to backwards. Move the right strand under without adding, and again from the left side add some hair in. Right under without adding, left under with some new hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Keep on repeating this pattern until you braid the whole section inside the braid. Once you added all the hair in, keep on braiding until the end of the hair, or at least as long as the braid will reach on back of your head. Next I will create yet one more parting more. I create the small slice to the left side, and I start with the slice, taking 3 small strands from the front and start to create a Dutch braid, bringing strands alternately from side under to the middle, and this time I add hair from the both sides of the braid, very small pieces at a time, so the braid will grow symmetrically and neat. Left under, add hair. Right under, add hair. Left under, add hair. Right under, add hair. Continue in this way until the braid reaches on the same point where the first braid begins. Next I will turn the braid to the side, so I take bigger adding from the front to backwards, like this, and then I will move the left strand under and add super tiny piece of hair from the back, so the braid will stay on its place nicely. the strand I'm adding from the front gets easily too loose because it's pretty small and it goes such a long way. So adding hair from the back too, just a little bit to keep it on its place. It's easy way to make the braid look a little bit better. But after all, you keep on adding hair from both sides like you did before too. Once you added all the hair into the braid, yet continue braiding until the braid reaches for sure back of your head. Once you've finished the braids, tie them together with the elastic under the rest of your hair. And here's the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!